Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Simple Python. I'm your host, Yujin Tang, and today we're going to be making a video, a program to create a perfect introduction based on the scene from The Princess Bride where Inigo Montoya introduces, or gives away he's going to introduce himself to the six-fingered man. Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die. So let's get started. So what we're going to do here is actually we're not just going to create one introduction, but we're going to create a way that you can create the perfect introduction with those 4 steps: the name, the polite greeting, hello, an introduction of your name, my name is Inigo Montoya, a relevant personal link, you killed my father, and ready to set expectations, prepare to die. So let's do this. So let's do greeting, or greeting. We're going to set an empty list. We're going to randomize a way to create however many of these you would like. Name, link. Oh, and link is actually a reserved keyword, I think. Maybe. Relevant link. And expectation. So now that we've created these empty lists, let's add some things to them so that we can randomize them. So greeting, I'm going to append hello. And I'll put a space behind it so we can just add them later without having to append with the space. Actually, you know what? We don't need a space because we can just join with the space separator. Greeting dot append. Yo, what's up? That's pretty good. Name dot append. My name is Yujin Tang. Name dot append. It's your boy Ra. This is what I say when I pop up on TikTok. Relevant link dot append. You may know me from Super Simple Python. Link dot append. You may have seen my posts on pythonalgos.com. And let's add another one. You may have read my posts on Medium. And then we'll do an expectation. Prepare to learn Python in the simplest way. Let's add another expectation dot append. I am the best software content creator. Is this true? I don't know, but I'm gonna say it. And maybe we'll do one more expectation. I'm going to teach you how to be a software engineer. And then we'll add another one. I'm going to show you how to get more blog views. Okay, so well, we have these kind of like sorted out and stepped up. We'll just make our introduction. So introduction is equal to random.choice. Oh, okay, here we go. Random.choice. Choice greeting plus a space plus random.choice. And you know, we can also add the space at the end of these sentences in here, like I was saying earlier, but it's not really a big deal. Choice, so we do the name and then relevant personal link, and then we'll do an expectation. And then we'll just print the introduction. So let's see what we get. So Python Inigo Montoya. Hello, it's your boy Ra. You may have seen my posts on pythonalgos.com. I'm going to show you how to get more blog views. That's pretty accurate. Let's get another one. Hello, it's your boy Ra. You may know me from Super Simple Python. I am the best software content creator. Let's get a third one just for fun, okay? Hello, my name is Yujin Tang. You may have read my posts on Medium. I'm going to show you how to get more blog views. So here we're actually doing 2 times 2 times 3 times 4 total possible total possible introductions here. So that's 4 times 3, that's 12 times 4, 48 possible introductions just from writing a few lines of code. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use Python to generate your own set of a personal introduction. If this was helpful for you, or if you like this, please give me a like and give me a subscribe and share with your friends. All right, thanks, and see you next time.